What's up, YouTube? We're going to do something different today. I always tell you I need to show you a little bit more about media. I see so many people saying, why are you wasting your time buying cheap stuff and buying that media? It's all trash. The DVDs are the new VHSs, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, they are. You know why? Because VHSs sell for a lot of money too. It's like, just because all items don't sell for a lot of money doesn't mean that they're not worth a lot of money. Like I said, it's like that in anything that you sell. You know, not every single Tommy Hilfiger is good. Only the good ones are good, and the other ones you can't give away. Same way with media. You know, anything you can think of. Not every baseball card is worth money. You know, some of them are worth money, some of them aren't. Same way with media. Just because you're dealing in a different subject doesn't mean that it's trash. And like I said, I'm tired of seeing people, talk like, oh, it's just horrible. I just bought these off a collector yesterday, and I paid $3 a piece for the Blu Rays. And you're probably like, oh, wow, why'd you pay so much money? I'll let you know here in a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10 Blu Rays. So I paid $30. I paid $1 a piece for the DVDs. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. We spent $38. Do you guys think I'll make any money spending $38 on what most people call the junk? I guarantee I'm gonna make some money. Let me go down to what they're worth. The Super down here, it's out of print. It's got Joe Pesci in it. It goes for $14.99. I can sell it for. The Nanny is out of print. It's got Hulk Hogan in it. It goes for $14.99. This Ernest Rides Again is out of print. It goes for $60. This Alligator is a rare movie. It's out of print. It hasn't been released for a long time. I can get $40 for it easily on eBay. This Sorority House Massacre 2, there again, it's out of print. It's a good one. I paid $1 for it. It sells for $45 online. I can get it $45 for it. This Alice, Sweet Alice, I can sell for $20 at my store. It's got Brooke Shields in it. It's out of print. Winner Takes All goes for $20. It sells really well. Last one I had sold within a day. This Eye of the Tiger is out of print. Notice you hear the word out of print. Those are the DVDs and the Blu Rays you want to find. You don't want to find that trash that you see in the Walmart $5 bin and the $3 bin every year for the past 10 years. You don't want those movies. Those are trash. Those will not sell, ever. So, let's see. Winner Takes All, $20. Eye of the Tiger, out of print, Gary Busey, $40. This My Bloody Valentine, it's sealed. It's out of print. I believe it's a Shout Factory. $36 I can sell it for. Ace Ventura, I had no idea. I've sold so many of these at my store for $5.99. It goes for $17.99, so I lost some money on that one. Cable Guy is out of print, and it goes for $25. The Ace Ventura Pet Detective, it goes for $15.99. This Dawn of the Dead, I know it's out of print. I sold some of these for pretty good money before. It goes for $45. The Best of the Best 3, there was none on eBay, sold, or listed. But the cheapest one on Amazon is $87. And the cheapest Best of the Best 1 on eBay was $78. So those two are out of print and very hard to find. And then Monkey Bone is out of print, and it goes for $60. My Bloody Valentine's out of print. It's $15. Darkness Falls is out of print on Blu-ray, and it goes for $60. So I spent $38? So according to my calculations, all that stuff would sell really quick on eBay too. I guarantee you 90% of that would sell then in a week or two easily. Because anytime I put good stuff like that on eBay, it sells. It just flies off the shelf. And according to my calculations, you add all those up, all those numbers that I told you, it's over $700. It's like almost $800 right there. that I paid $30 some for. So let me ask you guys, would you want to make, you know, $700 off a $30 investment? I do. That's why I carry media. I mean, media is a money maker. You just have to know what to find. Go out there and make sure you scan the barcodes if you don't know what you're doing. As soon as this guy brought these to my booth, I was like, these are out of print, aren't they? He's like, yeah, they're really expensive. I was like, I could tell. And I asked him what he wanted. He said $3 a Blu-ray and $1 a DVD. I said, I'll take these right here. Not a problem. So hopefully that helps you out, guys. I want to do a little bit more in-depth, you know, media stuff. Letting you guys know, you know, like what sells and what to look out for. Your biggest thing to look out for is out-of-print items. Like I said, when you scan them and they say OOP, that usually means they're pretty valuable. And like I said, they're not always just horror movies. Everybody's like, oh, I'll just scan all the horror movies. Yeah, if you would have scanned all the horror movies, you would have missed out on these $70, $80 best of the best movies. You know, you would have missed out on these $15, $20 like Ace Venturas and Cable Guys and the $40 Eye of the Tiger. I mean, yeah, it's true. A lot of the horror movies, the out-of-print ones, do well. But there's other stuff. There's dramas out there that sell for $100. I mean, just scan them all. Anything that looks unusual or you haven't seen around. Like these best of the best, I haven't seen around in a long time on Blu-ray. And I knew I hadn't seen this Darkness Falls in a while, but I didn't know that was $40, man. I sold a few of those at my store for about $10, so that's probably where this guy bought it. But hopefully that helps out, guys. I'm just trying to help you guys out. Like I said, I love media. I know media very well, and I'm trying to help you guys know it a little bit better. Please like, please subscribe. Please hit all, that way you can see all my videos. Thanks, guys. Peace.